Hi, good evening. I'm Mrs. Storms and I teach ninth grade English at Middle College High School. My classroom is located in room 304 in the village. Just a little bit about me. I am a Santa Ana kid. I graduated from Saddleback High School and then I went to UC Irvine and I have a bachelor's degree in English from UCI, followed by a teaching credential from Concordia University. And I went back to school to get my master's degree from Chapman University. And this is my 24th year teaching. So you might be wondering what a typical day is like in English 9. On a typical day, the students will enter the class and copy their agenda, and their agendas are also posted in Canvas. So I'm going to escape this PowerPoint and show you what it looks like when your son or daughter comes to school. We have these ViewSonic boards, and so it's been great. I display the agenda every day, but also in Canvas, which is our learning management system, you can find the daily agenda in modules. This is my homepage, so you click on the book stack here. And so as we scroll to this week, the week of August 30th through September 3rd, you'll find the daily class agendas and homework listed for every single day of the week. So today happens to be Tuesday, the 31st of August, and so the homework is listed here along with the classwork. So we're working in Canvas a lot. That's how our day begins, is taking a look at that. Now let's move on to something that I'm sure is important to you, grades. In English 9, I grade with categories. So classwork and homework counts for 35% of the grade, and our writing and assessments, which is really demonstrating that the student is proficient in English, is worth 65%. Homework-wise, at Middle College High School, students are assigned homework almost every night, including weekends. I try not to overload, but at our school, it's a rigorous program, and so most likely students will have homework. Again, in Canvas, where I was showing you earlier, can be found the list of what is assigned for homework and all of the resources that a student would need to complete their homework. Students are responsible for keeping track of their assignments and turning in things on time. The curriculum that we use is StudySync, which is an online program and a print version. This semester, we're using this physical book here, so each student has their own copy that is theirs to keep and to write in, but we're also using an online component of it as well. We cover reading and analysis of complex texts, writing, vocabulary, grammar, and oral communication. So I know for a while we've had Common Core standards, but just to let you know what guides everything that I do in my curriculum are these elements here that are the kind of the components of Common Core. We're working on skills like collaboration, creativity, communication, and critical thinking. All of my units are designed with essential questions and big ideas. I want students to be prepared to have academic conversations and use skills that would be appropriate in the workplace. And also we read texts that are considered complex, which means that they're at a level that is getting them ready for the level of skill needed to read at a college level. My writing program is very important, and we are mostly writing about argument and making and developing persuasive arguments with evidence, presenting information in a clear and cohesive way. And then there's the literary analysis, where we're analyzing what we read and coming up with universal themes and backing that up with evidence to prove our point. What can you do to support your child? Make sure that your students are here every day. That's the most important thing, is good attendance. If you can, provide a quiet area and adequate time for students to complete their homework. If not, we have places here on campus where students can complete their homework if that's difficult at home. You can be monitoring Canvas. You can email me and I can add you to Canvas as an observer if you would like. And then the Aries portal is where grades are posted. So checking to make sure that students are keeping up on things that are graded. And just communicate with me as well if you have questions or concerns. This is where you can find me. Here is my email and here is my phone number and when I'm available for conferencing with parents. And I thank you for your time and I hope that we will have a great year together. Thanks.